message. For the following county, Lake County, Ohio, the National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Paynesville from Saturday evening until further notice at 10:30 a.m. Friday. The stage was 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet forecast to rise above flood stage by Saturday evening and continue to rise to near 9.5 feet by Saturday evening. At 8.0 feet, water levels will overrun the banks along the Metro Park south of Paynesville. Lemon Road will be threatened.
On the latest